Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we got another product review for you. It's called KxK Dynamics, and it's a pad puncher kit. So you're gonna be able to cut your own microfiber pads or foam pads, whichever pads you want to cut. We use a lot of microfiber pads here, so we're doing the microfiber, and they also sell microfiber pads. So let's get into it. This is a 3-set one, so you get 3 items in it. You have your 1 3/8 right here. You got your solid 2-inch. And then you got your 2 3/4 right here. Wish it was a 3-inch, but for cutting purposes, they did 2 3/4 so they could cut more out of a 5-inch pad. So I get it, but wish they had 3-inch. And if they had 5-inch, woo, changed my life. But they don't make a 5-inch. But yeah, so pretty much in the kit, you're gonna get the cutting block right here, and you're gonna want to cut on the floor because you're gonna be striking it with a hammer. This is a 2-pound hammer. It's not really doing the job that good. You should be using a 4-pound hammer. The 4-pound hammer they sell is $59. And I was like, damn, that's a lot of money for a hammer. So let me try this, but it looks like we're gonna have to buy that. Hit up Home Depot, Lowe's, see if I can get a 4-pound rubber pallet one too. But yeah, so let me walk you through it real quick before I give you guys a demonstration. You would take your pad puncher right here, put your striker in, and you're just gonna tighten that down. And I like to let you guys know the build quality on these are solid. I mean, it's super heavy duty, anti-corrosion coated. I mean, it's nice. It's like you don't even want to strike it with a hammer. It's so nice. Really heavy duty. So you grab your microfiber pad, whatever foam pad you want to use or something, and you put it on the concrete and put this on top. And then you just, boom, hit through it, get your bed, come out like that after. So that's pretty much how that works, and I'll show you guys a demonstration after this. Some other little quick things about this, money-wise and how much money you're gonna be saving. Hypothetically, you're paying $6 to $8 for these. So we're gonna be able to cut 3, 6, 9, 12 out of a $35 sheet. 9 times 8 is $96. So $35 versus 96, and that's on the 2 3/4. Once you start cutting smaller, like a 2-inch or the 1 3/8, you're just gonna be saving a lot more money. So that's kind of where you see it, the price difference, and if you're using a lot of pads, this is a great option for you. They work great. I already used it for a paint correction. I mean, they work really good. The pads are good quality. I like them. So let's get into the video, and I'm gonna put you guys down on the floor, let you see how it works, and please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Check out the M2M Detail shirt like the last video, and this will be released on Friday just for you guys. Thank you. All right guys, so now that we got it on the floor, we're gonna get our location. We got our 2 3/4 right here. The striker is in it. Just twist it on nice and tight. So now we're gonna pick our location where we wanna cut our pad. Right there looks good. So we're gonna put down some pressure, and then we're just gonna strike it a couple times, probably like 6 times. So we did 6, give it a little twist. So, nope, we're gonna have to strike it a couple more times. There we go. So this is kind of like what I was telling you guys about, like the 2-pound hammer. It's not cutting it, and that's why we're hitting so many times, just to be able to break it loose. So we got it all cut through, so we're gonna pop it out. That's how it's gonna look. And bam, you got your new pad. I like to use my air compressor right before I use it to blow off any fuzz on the outside like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let's go back to the table and talk about it. Okay, so now we're back at the table. It was a little awkward down there. But yeah, so as you guys saw, we had to strike it a lot. And normally it doesn't take that much, but pretty sure it's due to the 2-pound hammer not getting that enough force to cut through the pad. I mean, we're still getting really nice, really clean cuts. It's just taking a lot more hits than I would like. So once I get the 4-pound hammer, I'll do a follow-up video, see if it cuts a lot better after I sharpen them again, see if that helps them. But I mean, overall, not bad. I mean, it's a nice little pad. Let me grab the root so you can see how it looks. All right, I'm back. So, coming up soon, the new Flex. This thing's dope. Super powerful. So, I have another video coming out next Friday on this machine. This thing's dope. Everyone should have this. If you want to change it from rotary, from a DA, you just go like this. Boom, and you pop your new one in, and it's done. But yeah, enough on that. But this is kind of like what I was telling you guys about. This has a 3-inch backing plate, so you can kind of see how the pad is inside the 3-inch, which makes sense because it's a 2 3/4. But that kind of kills me. Wish it was a 3-inch, but whatever. But like if you're using on the iBird, you can also put the 3-inch on the 2 3/4, and it works really good on this. See how you see the fuzz come off right now? So I would normally blow it out, but I mean, it works really good. Also, the best one for one of these would be your 2-inch diameter, and you can see the 2-inch just barely fits right over it. I mean, it's like a perfect fit. So this on a 2-inch will be a perfect pad. It's a 2-inch backing plate. So one thing to consider, make sure you have a 2-inch backing plate. If you got the 3-inch like this, you probably want to get like a 2.5. That'd be better. So we're gonna get a 2.5. Just gotta find one. I haven't seen them yet. But yeah, overall guys, I'm really happy with the material. The build quality is insane. It is quite expensive. They are about 220 bucks for the kit like this, or you can buy them individually. I want to say they go by sizes, so the price varies. I believe this one's $60 by itself, the 2 3/4. So other than that, guys, I'm fucking pumped. I like this stuff a lot. It's a great product. It works great. It saves me a lot of money at the shop, and that's a win for everyone. So check them out if you guys are interested, or you got some questions for me about this kit. Give me an email, leave it in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, everyone, mark out.